thought it is a cat. No, it's a cat. Well, I was trying to go outside. I know, you just ruined it for me. That's okay, now I can't go outside. Well, good morning, guys. We just woke up. My morning was pretty much rudely interrupted. I don't mess with cats, so I'm just going to stay inside. I was going to go out in the patio and just look. Yeah, and look around. You know, we have a beach right behind us and we can see the water. But I guess I'll wait because somebody is hungry and I think he's begging me. But anyway, everybody's going to get dressed at this point because we're going out for breakfast. I don't know where we're going yet. Anthony has something in mind. What is the name?
Kihei Caffe.
Kihei Caffe, something like that. Kihei. Either way, originally I wanted to go to, let me turn the TV down for a second. Originally I wanted to go to Slappy Cakes, but because we went to dinner last night and it was an hour and 20 minutes away, we don't want to drive back on that side of town again because it is very far just to go to breakfast. So we just chose something that was a little bit closer, and I think that's what the plan we're gonna go with. So yeah, so let's
I don't know about, you know, you have to, it's a lot of driving you gotta do around Maui there's a lot of driving you gotta do around Maui to get to locations and civilization. You know, it's country. And unfortunately, like she was mentioning about the Slappy Cakes, you gotta pretty much drive around the mountain. You gotta drive around the mountain to get there. We didn't know this was like a lot of night districts, night restaurants and lounges and possible bars in that area. But we're a family and we're not into no drinking in bars, so none of us are supposed to do that. But this place we're going to is about 36 minutes away, 25 miles, and I look forward to it because, I mean, granted, this place I found out has IHOP, Jack in the Box, and McDonald's. You know, so it's got a typical, you know, U.S. mainland type restaurants, but also got some famous local stuff. So I figured, hey, I just Googled best breakfast in Maui, and it was definitely one of the top 10s, and majority 5 stars. So we'll see.
Pronounce it, honey. Kihei Cafe? I think it's Kihei. Okay. Whatever it is. Alright, please order inside before being seated.
Jamie?
Okay, so let's take a look at the menu. So breakfast, cheese omelet, pork fried rice, locomoto, classic breakfast, eggs and breakfast. I'm not too sure what I want. Cadence has a Belgian waffle with strawberries and cream, which looks good, and we're just waiting on everybody else. Yeah, here you go. This is Cherelle.
Scrambled eggs with cheese?
Yes, that's mine. Thank you. Okay. Brandon has French toast and eggs and bacon. I guess so. Yes, that would be fine. And I have pancakes with egg and cheese. Angel has a single pancake, and Anthony has strawberries and cream. While everybody is still eating, I'm gonna show you around a little bit because the restaurant is very small. It's like a very small hut. The line is long, but don't get discouraged about the line because it tends to go very fast. You can order your food very quickly. But anyway, there's an outside section where you can eat, and then they do have another building, which is the building that I'm in, and they have some larger tables for a larger size family. This is pretty much what the room looks like. It has additional tables and a bar side table here with multiple chairs. They provide you with to-go plates, so you don't have to ask them. You can just pick one up, and condiments, of course. And that's the table that we're sitting at, and then here's a table here. So they have 2 large tables, and at least you can watch TV in the back. They have like this little cute section back here with the little couch and a play area for the kids. So it's a nice spot. You know, it's not the best, but the food is good. Everybody is enjoying their food, right? Everybody likes their food for the most part. Huh?
Those waffles and cinnamon rolls is the best.
Was the best? Yeah. The food was good. So I'm not going to finish my pancakes. I'm actually going to take half home so I can have that for tomorrow morning before we check out. But it is a lot, so I probably should have just got one. You all gonna get some pennies made?
Yeah.
Which one do you want? You get the you could choose which one you want by rotating the handle, and then you can print your own coins. Papaya jam, Liikio curd. I can't say that right. Same thing here. Lilikoi? Okay, I guess you're right. What did I say? I bet you did though. Oh, barbecue sauce. Maui onion barbecue sauce. And they have their own little peanut butter. What is this? Honey mac nut peanut butter. Okay, honey mac nut.
Traditional goat milk caramel known as.
I heard goat milk has a very unique taste. Yeah, wow. I know.
Dried pineapple.
Chocolate caramel. Caramel with coconut rum and Maui coffee caramel. Now coffee and caramel is a good mix. I have to agree with that. And then they have sea salt caramel there. They have some handcrafted fudge. Birthday cake looks good. What else? Pumpkin ginger spice, aloha cowgirl. Ooh, that one. I'm not gonna get any of this, but it does look good. I like the jellyfish in the glass. These are really nice. I like this one too. This one is $49.95. Once we got back from the aquarium, I was tired. I took a nap. Anthony is not feeling well. He has a headache. And we took advantage of certain things, but everything that we really wanted to see was so far away. It feels like everything on this island itself is a greater distance, and it was very draining, to be honest with you. So we got a chance to see what we wanted to see at this point, because we leave tomorrow. Our flight takes off at 4 in the afternoon. So tomorrow we'll just check out here by 11, and Anthony wants to go to Krispy Kreme because Maui's the only island, I believe. I don't know if the big island has it, but Maui has Krispy Kreme and Oahu does not. So what people do, they actually fly to Maui to get Krispy Kreme donuts, bring them back to Oahu, and they sell them. And we are just going to get a box or a dozen for Anthony because I don't like Krispy Kreme. I'm Dunkin' Donuts all the way. But that's what we're gonna do. So the kids are playing Uno. I play with them. They are some cheaters, so I don't play anymore.
Play the game right.
Yeah, they don't know how to play. And the rules change. What is this wild card situation where you get to make up your own rules, something like that?
Get in the comments if you know how to play the new Uno.
Yeah, because I don't. And they are also watching Jumanji, so they want me to open the pineapple that I got in my gift basket. And it smells pretty ripe, so this seems like it's gonna be a good one. Now, what I learned from the Dole Plantation, if you haven't seen that video, it's up here, is that once you pick the pineapple, it's done. It doesn't ripe anymore, so you either have a tart pineapple or a sweet one, and I think I got a good one here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open so the kids can have some pineapple slices for the night.
Okay. I'm just saying, I'm sure they'd like to get you anywhere. Actually juicy.
Yes, it is. It's sweet too. Oh, this is so good. I can't eat a lot though, because the acidity will make my tongue feel different, and I don't like that feeling. So I'm probably gonna eat 2 and let the kids have the rest. Made me sick. It's like, yeah, living with Anthony is like living in a gas house. Like I'm going through the gas chamber again. I can't stand it. Anyway, so we are checking out today. I'm better. It's a bittersweet feeling because I like the house. I really don't want to go. I wish it was our vacation rental, but it's not. So, you know, if we ever come back to Maui, at least I know where I would like to stay again. So right now, excuse me, sorry about the lighting, but right now we're packing up everything because we have to check out of here by 11, and really we have a couple hours to waste before we get on our plane. And so there's a beach spot that I want to take the family to. It's pretty much where, actually it is, where I went to the Mama's Fish House, I believe, when I went with my mother. And I thought that beach was beautiful. Plus it's right down the road. We don't have to go out any further just to get a scenery of the beach. So that's what we're gonna do. The good thing is we came with the same items we left with. We did not accrue anything else besides everything we have.
Oh, about to come out with some Krispy Kreme though.
Oh yeah, we gotta stop by there. I have to get my neighbors a box, and Anthony's, of course, is gonna get a dozen of his. Okay, so that bathroom is straight. We put all the dirty towels in that basket. We need to straighten up the living room, treat it like it's our house, so we have to make sure it is clean. Huh? Yeah, it's on the floor. Here, it's on my hand. Take that. There you go. And we pretty much ate everything in the gift basket, so we'll leave the rest for the next guest. We didn't use any of it. Still have the macadamias, and then they have coffee. We're not big coffee drinkers, so we'll leave that for them. And then we have to clean out the fridge. We have to throw this stuff away, our little food, and then put the other food in the cooler that we had brought. So I have one last blueberry muffin and everything else that's in here. Actually, I might, no, you know what? I can't fill that water bottle up because of TSA regulations. You guys didn't eat the sandwiches that we had packed. Well, they're still good. I'll make sure Zai has his PB&J. I did the dishes already. I put them in the dishwasher so that they can dry. We need to put the key right where we found this, and then my electronic bag. I need to make sure I have everything in here that we brought. You know what? We didn't even get a chance to use our drone, honey. We sure didn't. Yeah, it has been. All right, just to make sure I have my GoPro arm, my 2 battery chargers, the GoPro itself, and my SD cards that are here, and then my car mount, my window car mount. So this bag is good to go. They also have a guest book. I'm going to put my name in here and let them know how we loved our stay. And you can see people have already previously put their names and their comments, and I'm going to do the same. Hey guys, it's raining. I wanted to get a quick shot of the beach before I left. Oh, you can see this rainbow, guys. Look at this. Hold on one second. It is so windy today. You guys see the rainbow right there. It's nice, isn't it?
It's fun.
It looks fun. It looks dangerous. You have a couple of people down there on the rocks. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah. Last stop, Krispy Kreme. All right, let's get Anthony's donuts. He was begging to come here, so here we go.
And then 2 strawberry sprinkles. 2 of mine and 2 of Tristan's.
Are you happy now?
Absolutely, I'll be happier once I get one of those little round donuts in my mouth, in my tummy. Yum, yum.
It's a shame what people go through just to get a Krispy Kreme donut on another island. I think that's
to a whole other
absurd.
island just to get some Krispy Kreme
And
donuts.
you didn't just get one, you got 2 dozen boxes, which is...
I did, because I ain't coming back. Yeah.
You should feel some type of way.
And just wait till Chick-fil-A comes out here.
Yep.
Yep, we're flying over there for Chick-fil-A sandwiches.
Baby, you're not going to spend a $88 round trip ticket
As long as the profit outweighs.
for
You know.
a Chick-fil-A sandwich and fries with Polynesian sauce, okay?
See, it's right across.
Where are we going? Oh yeah, it is across.
That's what make a U-turn.
Yeah, I guess you can now.
But yeah, I look forward to it. Like I said, I grew up on Krispy Kreme, so I love Krispy Kreme donuts.
No,
Don't worry. I know she put it on me as if like, oh, I'm gonna eat all of them. Trust me, her little hands are gonna sneak in that box too, just like the kids sneak into the cookie jar.
It's the texture, like I'm so white. No, I don't like Krispy Kreme donuts. There's something about the texture of that donut. If it tastes like dough, it's just it's not cake-like. I think I like cake-like donuts, so I think that's the big deal. So no, you can have it all by yourself. Plus, I'm doing good with eating right, and you're not going to tempt me.
Say again. Say again.
You are not going to tempt me with these donuts, so you can have them. You and that scale can love each other even more, okay?
Okay. Me and that whole box is gonna love each other even better. Me and Krispy Kreme gonna make some loving tonight.
Bye, y'all. Back home, and we are tired. We're getting ready to go to bed. The kids are in bed. And before I close out the vlog, I want to see how you enjoyed it since it was your first time going to Maui.
I had a good time. I mean, it was definitely different from Oahu, and hopefully if you do decide to go during a if you got the chance, go during a sunny or clear weekend. You know, we had, it was 50-50, you know, and so we did what we can when it was daylight. Obviously, as soon as we got there, hit that hike, or what was that mountain called?
Haleakala?
We hit that up immediately. Highly recommend get that out the way, because it's a long ways. Like, I thought it was like, okay, whoop-de-doo, go up a little road, whatever. Next thing you know, we'll be there. No, it just kept going and going and going. But it was well worth it. So Maui was great. Don't expect it to be city life. It's very country. To get to anywhere like civilization, get to Walmart, to get to certain well-known restaurants out there, you're gonna do a drive. Like,
Yeah.
actually, it's crazy. You can drive there for a little over an hour, and let's just go to a restaurant.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
enjoy.
So that's good though. At least we got that off our bucket list. The box is checked. So we are going to bed down now. We are tired, and I guess we will see you on a regular vlog. And to the end, Zai, you want to say anything? Look, you want to tell them good night? Say good night. Say I love you. See you in the morning. All right, good night, guys. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you did, make sure you subscribe, be a part of the family, and if not, I'll see you all next time.